the strange man, aka the Man in Black. Is there some element with Michael and the therapist in Grand Theft Auto 5? Like, who is the strange man?
Well, the strange man was again was someone we came up with quickly. We made Red Dead 1, and we're making Red Dead 1, and we'd made this, we felt, quite compelling story and quite interesting open world. But and we'd already made a bunch of Grand Theft Autos, obviously, but unfortunately we'd taken out the machine guns because it was a cowboy game, apart from the big fixed position ones, and we'd taken out the cars, and we'd taken out the city and large numbers of pedestrians. So we essentially had a game about a dude riding a horse around the desert, and it was quite boring. And so we then started filling it with content, and we filled it with these, and having to improvise, and we filled it with these things we called random events that would be these sort of mocap moments that you could interact with. And it was, the designers did an amazing job with those. They were really fun. But there was not enough of them. And then we felt we needed more story because the story was perhaps a little short. So we kind of, quite late in development, started putting in almost like these RPG type content where you go and meet someone. And the way we thought of them was they were like short stories. So you go and meet someone, they'd set you a slow problem, like go and collect me 15 bunches of flowers. And when you came back, it would resolve your story. And so the one would go and get them for my bride, and you come back and the bride's dead. You know, we tried to make them like these short stories with a sting in the tail. And he came out, as I was trying to come up with ideas for those, as just this weird character. And then we built him a bit into the story where he would unlock as you worked your way through and be a commentary on what you were doing. So he was meant to be a kind of manifestation of your, you know, shadow, your karma, the devil, somewhere, you know, just saw the world. And then we built out his backstory over time, and decide, you know, and so in Red Dead 2, you could interact with him again, or not really interact with him, but he was there, and he was meant to be, you know, something I suppose any creative is scared of, an artist who's kind of sold his soul to the devil. And that slowly revealed itself.
There is a connection between the main character and is it like a Jungian shadow type of situation?
Well, it's sort of, because he knows what you're up to. The connection is, and what's never really made clear is, does he know this about everybody? Like, is he following you, or is he able, because of the pact he's made with evil forces, able to do this for everybody? And I don't think we necessarily ever clarify that. He's certainly able to do it for you.